SafePal is a popular choice for managing cryptocurrencies. Many people use it. It acts as a secure digital wallet. SafePal keeps your crypto safe. It's like a digital vault for your assets. Binance is a platform for trading crypto. You can buy and sell crypto on Binance. Binance is very popular. It has many users. Transferring USDT between these platforms is common. USDT is a stable coin. Its value is pegged to the US dollar. This makes it useful for moving value between exchanges. This guide will show you how to do it. We'll take a step-by-step approach. This will make it easy to understand. First, log into your Binance account. Go to the Binance website. Enter your login details. These are your username and password. Once logged in, go to your wallet. Look for fiat and spot. This is where your USDT will go. Click on deposit. Choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Select the correct network. This is very important. Using the wrong network will result in loss of funds. USDT can be on different networks. Make sure your SafePal and Binance networks match. Copy the deposit address. This is a long string of characters. Double-check it for accuracy. Open your SafePal app. Log into your wallet. Go to your USDT balance. Click Send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Make sure the networks match again. This is critical. If the networks don't match, you will lose your funds. Select the amount of USDT you want to send. Double-check the address and amount. Confirm the transaction. SafePal will show you a confirmation screen. Review the details carefully. Once confirmed, wait for the transaction to process. This may take a few minutes. Blockchain transactions need time to be confirmed. After confirming, you'll get a transaction ID. This is like a receipt number. You can use it to track your transaction. Once processed, check your Binance wallet. The USDT should be there. You have successfully transferred your USDT. Always double-check addresses and networks. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Be cautious and verify everything. Keep your devices and apps secure. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. This will help protect your crypto assets. Transferring USDT between SafePal and Binance is easy. Just follow these steps carefully.